What is written on this paper? I can't understand anything. I would need to ask someone. Do you see this ticket? Previously, deaf people all over India used to stand in a long queue at a railway station and they faced communication barrier with hearing people. Now it has changed with the help of new technology where we can choose different destinations from anywhere in the country. Then we can get printout of the ticket. With this technology, it becomes easier for us. See how technology helps all of us?
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.